Hey CAD friends, in this 60-second solid tip, we're talking about the S shortcut bar. If you've noticed in some of my other videos, I use this shortcut all the time. I think it is the #1 time saver in SolidWorks. So to launch the S shortcut bar, you just press the S key. So what you see on my screen is not going to be the same as your S shortcut bar. And that's the best part of this tool, is the customization. So to get to the customization, we're going to go to Tools, and down to Customize, and then over to the shortcut bars. Now here you can see that it's actually not one shortcut bar, but 4 different ones. And it's based on what part you're working in. So if you're working in a part file, an assembly file, a drawing, or a sketch. So to add or remove items from the shortcut bar, you simply need to drag in and out of the shortcut bar box. And then you can readjust. So these will work exactly the same as they do in the command window at the top of your screen. So you can notice that some of these even have drop downs for other options. So that's your 60-second solid tip for today, CAD friends. I hope it saves you some time. I will catch you guys in the next one.